Ghana is winning. Ghana is winning. And if I talk say Ghana is winning, I don't make you understand, say, this month in particular, no, one private jet, one Bugatti, one g63, 2023 model g63, bro. Abu Trica and Richard Nikwe. I don't know. I don't really know, but this is what is going on. We could get right into it, bro. So, we just woke up today and we realized Abu Trica is trending. Abu Trica is trending. Giddy, 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 giddy. I was like, what is making this guy trend? And then in the comment section, a whole lot of bad comments, a whole lot of good comments. Abu Trica in the past few years has decided to populate the country with cars. Yeah. And when I say cars, you know, be just any cars. So, yeah. He's buying the Lamborghinis. He's buying the Ferraris. He's buying the BMs. I don't know. The Mercedes self plenty. The Range Rover self, I don't want to talk about them, bro. This guy wants to populate Ghana with 33 million cars. And we will never accept that. Because why? Why are you giving us so much pressure? Why are you giving us so much pressure? You see, so this guy is trending on Twitter and people are complaining. People are saying, hey, he should use the money to support the community. Why is he buying cars? What is wrong with this guy? Why is he buying only white cars? Why? This, bro, Twilight and his cohorts and his friends. When I say cohorts, you understand. People from the poor family. Yeah, people from the poor family, they are complaining. You see, one thing I know in life is, it be poor people where they complain about everything. Oh. It be poor people where they tell people, won't tell people what to do. It be poor people where they do then kind and share with that self-entitlement thing. Because why would you tell someone like Abu Trica to use his money to, cater for the society? Bro? I bet you, I didn't know how to despite some funny sick and baby. I don't know more to say to it. I don't know more to papa say. Sikano de Ashamunay on fancy dime community. No, won't mean Cassim win chair papa. You want to tell somebody else, somebody's kid, what to do with this money. That's a gasa. On him. I don't want to make you people know, see, the least you can go is complain about the government and to tell the government what to do because it be taxpayers' money. It be we all want our money. That one, you go fit tell government what to use the money for. But somebody's personal money being personal money. The time they suffer, you were nowhere to be found. You understand? The time he was having sleepless nights. The time he was hungry in his own corner. The time he was down. You guys were not there. But now that he's buying the cars, he's buying the big cars, the 2023 G63, the Lamborghinis, the Ferraris, and the BM Q3, all those cars, the Range Rovers and things, You people are in your communist, You people are in the four-cornered chamber and hall and single rooms. With that your 3,000 Ghana CD phone, plus 5 CDs, MTN just for you bundle. Yeah. And you are tweeting, telling somebody who is buying fleet of cars, someone who has a home already, someone who has businesses, and someone who wants to have something for himself. Say, uncle, non-funny society. It be same way Bongo Ideas too can talk such nonsense just some 3 days ago. Telling Richard Nikwe, yeah, quick credit owner, right now bills, credit, say make you use the money to go cater for people in Jamestown. Now Jamestown be very bad community. Why you no go help develop Jamestown, bro? You see the fucking government? Jamestown no get chief for there. The chief no fit mobilize the people, then tell the people, say, make we build our own community. You don't know if you do one. After fighting for people in the markets, after giving loans that they were taking the money away, after giving them so many loans and then people were not paying, the people were fighting with his team, with his workers, and he was having sleepless nights. None of you were there. You understand? But now that he has money and he wants to buy private jets and he wants to buy the cars, you people are complaining. As usual, you people are complaining that he should use the money for something. And here for the and here for what I say? I don't know. Every single time, instead of you to work for your own self. Now say we do stage now. Now also send your episode you and why You are there telling people what to do with their funds. It's just like telling Sarkodie say he's stingy. Although he's stingy, but then telling him he's stingy doesn't make sense. Because he's not from your family. What do I say? Who shani bottom? Nisika or ma or yes savings a man ma. Untimi ma me chene so on quiet. But sometimes, yeah. What do I say? Sometimes, I feel like you saying these things, why don't you channel the energy to Kwame Despite? Not channel the onye. And I know they are muntiminka. I don't know if I'm going big people, no, so now if a small person be on share and GD and rise a little bit, then hey, we could do this, we could do that. But all the same, I've come to understand, say, Shatawale no get in. He no get pan. Because if Richard Nikwe bills credit, go fi buy private jet, and Shatawale in private jet never land for Ghana, then Shatawale no get pan. It be muff. And if Abu Trica release after buying the Lamborghini Euros and it still release G63, then Shatawale no get pan. Shatawale for sleep. If I make we think, what I say? Oh my no. Right now we know say Shatta no get easy. He no get nothing. He just deal like this cohorts with and they Twilight and the whole couple of people with and they the Twitter with and they mess up. He deal like them pepe. Yeah. Shatta deal like them pepe. Omano san they don't get anything. What I say? Oh BBA show working make we see. You understand? Show working. Abu Trica on kasa bebre ube huana pa. O say na bills microcredit one cash no. But we really easy ya no science Charlie or fair Bugatti for and cram ya na me call man. Your fair Bugatti for catch and say your mom 3 days per 1 car ha. And I'm the 2 flights na. Ba. What do I say? So I just want to tell you people out there say more Twilight ne hwan na social media no so sneak and nyame ne hwan na mo kasa by heart mo. Monya careful. What do I say? Because obisi guy ni sika enya wona abekere ne yonfa nye o pese o kan ne yonfa ni sika anya the first person you saw start wo your papa ko papa o na ka chen say da usika me pese o di yesin o papa on to Lamborghini o ka che o papa na papa chiewa o ba na afi wa be ka che ye beti ase sia na o papa ni bi o ma mi ni bi te se yan na me ya na wo ba be ka che obi ono wa bre ni moje ni asweti anya sika se on fa nkonko ye bi se ya na mo mabobo adam ana ana ya na dem pa na e ha mo nti mo tweet no mo dwen ana mo di ane se mo be family or ex na mo nya sika nti no mo di ane se mo post na mo nya engagement na mo di didi ahe na Twitter crowd chia ahe all the same. This is what they go on TV. We are here to just tell you, say, for Sean the fool. What do I say? Catch you later. I'm Silencer.
You've not had proper check. If you've not tried the 70 cedi check from Cravings Scanner, comes with the fried rice, stories on board a crispy chicken and shito. The fried rice is well seasoned, chicken is crispy and juicy at the same time. You are craving right. I can't wait to tell you about the shawarma and the loaded fries I had from them. Call them now. Also know that they start work from 3 p.m. to 2 a.m. every day.
Oka say anasa wa bre our mechanic in sem ka heavy Ghana abase ba be bo baby a wo fie wo adwuma baby bia oka say bia freka heavy Ghana I wanna manage twago no ye beba ya be fix oka na ma to your satisfaction when you beje ho. I check your website no www.carhaving-ghana.com na sign in na into member wow. Yeah, that's it.